Well, it's that time of year. Time to start planting my seeds for this year's garden. All right, so this year, this is what I'm growing. I decided on the giant peppers. These are Mexican chilies. Radishes. These are cherry bell radishes. Heirloom sage. So broadleaf Italian sage. Valley green perennials, so these are chives. Green onions. Lavender, so these are the burpee lavender, English lavender. Tomatoes, so cherry tomatoes. I grew these before, and they're heirloom varieties, so I know that they do grow. And yeah. I'm also growing some strawberries and some sweet basil. It still looks like this out there, so I can't really plant anything outside, so everything's going to start growing indoors. I'm going to start germinating it indoors. And then later I'm going to start planting the rest of my seeds for other things that I have in mind, like my salads, my lettuce, that kind of stuff. So that will go in my greenhouse. Once this disappears, hopefully it does soon. It's April 3rd today. Okay, so we got 5 lavenders. And we got 4 radishes. And I have 2 cherry tomatoes and 1 giant hot pepper or chili pepper. I don't want too many chili peppers because I'm not much for hot peppers, but there we go. Here we have green scallions, chives, and sage. There's a strawberry, she's already growing. And the sweet basil is growing as well. Alright, so I have it placed in front of my picture window on this table. So it has consistent full sun coming from there, So let's hope that they grow. Alright, so I'm going to have some lettuce and a variety of different things like spinach, kale, that kind of thing in my greenhouse once the snow's gone and it's not cold outside anymore. So this is just what I'm doing indoors right now. Hopefully that the seeds will grow. But yeah, I finally got the motivation to get it done, guys. Happy I got it done. Now it's just a matter of waiting. It's variety pack covers for bowls. And the smaller ones fit perfectly on top of these. Perfect. Perfect. The bigger ones could fit on top of these as well. But I don't have any big ones left. But guess what? The sun popped out, coming through nice and hot when I put my last pot down. Isn't that something beautiful? Right on time. Now grow, baby, grow.